Every year on October 3rd, Germany pauses to mark a turning point in its history, the day East and West Germany officially became one nation again in 1990. Known as German Unity Day, this national holiday is more than a celebration, it's a reminder of the long struggle against division, dictatorship, and the Cold War's shadow. It raises questions about freedom, identity, and how a nation heals after decades of being split in two. Germany Unity Day is the only national holiday in Germany, and because of this, schools, businesses, and government offices are closed for the day. Let's dive into the origin and purpose of this monumental day in German history. I think the best way to explain the reasoning behind German Unity Day would be to do a quick history lesson. After World War II, Germany was split into two states in 1949, the Federal Republic of Germany on the west and the German Democratic Republic on the east. The Berlin Wall was built in 1961 and quickly became the symbol of Germany's division. In 1989, a wave of peaceful protests known as the Monday demonstrations led to the fall of the Berlin Wall on November 9, 1989. However, November 9th is associated with tragic events in Germany history, so October 3rd was chosen. October 3rd, 1990 was the day East Germany and West Germany were officially reunited. Now that we have a grasp on the purpose of German Unity Day, let's talk about the celebrations and practices. As I said earlier in the intro, businesses, schools, and government offices are closed for the day. Each year, a German state is selected to host the main festivities. This includes political speeches, concerts, and cultural appreciation. Cities all over Germany put on large festivals and fireworks shows. German Unity Day is a lot like 4th of July for Americans, except they're not celebrating their nation's birth, they're celebrating its reunification after 40 years of division. October 3rd is German Unity Day, the only national holiday in Germany, a celebration of unification that occurs across the entire country, a country that was divided into East Germany and West Germany for 40 years. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked a country reunified and looking forward to a better future. Thank you for watching. Liking and subscribing would be much appreciated.